Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes and this is a Suzuki GSR750. Belts of a bike these. Finished off in the red on this one. 2012 12 plate, 12,841 miles it's done. Cheeky Scorpion exhaust, you got the cowl on there. It's got a lowering kit on, and obviously the cheeky little screen at the front as well. An absolute belter of a bike these. Let me just turn it on so you can see the display. You've got analog rev counter and obviously digital miles per hour and gear indicator. What an absolute belter of a bike. Anyway guys, in order to get it purchased, it's easy. You pop down to Jordanbikes, you just give us a call. Cheers.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.